Hi everyone, it's Jada from Ramstein Library here to show you how to access Overdrive using your USAFE library account. Now the first thing you want to do is go to usafelibraries.org. Okay? You're going to hover over this eLibrary tab. Now you can access this resource and all of our resources via MilNet, but I'm going to show you how to access via your library card so that you can download the app and have access to it anywhere and you won't need to be on a MilNet computer. Okay, so click on Access via Library Card. Then all of our online resources will appear here and you will be able to enter in your library card number here and click Submit. Okay. Now, a couple of things to note from this page. One, some of the online resources do require an additional access code in order to register for them. If you are using a resource that does ask for an additional access code, you will find the access code here once you've signed in with your library card under the description box of each resource. The other thing to note from this page is this Your Library tab. So if you have any additional questions or need additional help, you can locate your base library contact information here. Okay, so we're going to scroll down to Overdrive Digital Media and click on that. That will take you to this U.S. Air Force Digital Media Program page. This is the Air Force Overdrive sign-in page. Okay, so you click Select Library, and you go down to USAF Europe Libraries or USAFE Libraries, and you will have to enter in your library card number again here, okay? Now, once you do that, you're signed in to your Air Force Libraries account, and you will be able to see all of the items that you have checked out, edit any account information that you have here, and then of course search the database here for any ebooks, audiobooks, and there are now streaming videos on Overdrive as well. Okay, there are some featured collections already together for you, like the CSAF reading list. There's the 2018 CSAF reading list as well. Some of the different squadrons have their own reading lists here as well. Okay, there is ebook, fiction, ebook nonfiction, audiobook fiction, audiobook nonfiction. You can also scroll down and check out some of the videos. So lots of good stuff here as well. Okay. Now, different items have different lending periods. For example, ebooks have a lending period of up to 14 days. If you complete the 14 days, the item will automatically be returned, so you don't have to worry about anything being late or overdue. Okay, it will automatically be returned from your account. You do have the option to renew items if there is no one waiting with a hold on that item. Okay. Now, there is one more step, which is optional but very, very useful. And that is to create an Overdrive account. Now that's separate from this, which is your Air Force Libraries Overdrive account. The reason for that is because you may have a library account with a stateside library that you use Overdrive with, or any other library, and you want to be able to link them all together so that when you download the app, you have all of your materials, all of your accounts in one place. Okay. Now, in order to do that, you are going to create an Overdrive account. So you go to overdrive.com. Now here, be careful because you do not want to sign in using library card. You want to sign in with your email address and password, or sign up if you haven't done that yet. So sign up is what we're going to do. Okay. And then it will ask you for name, email address, and create a password. You can select yes to help me find my next favorite title. That's a pretty cool feature, and click sign up. Okay. Now, once you do that, this will be your Overdrive account. This is what that looks like, and you're able to see all of your library accounts here, anything you have checked out, things like that. Important to note that each library system has their own materials, so there may be something that you can access from your home stateside library versus the Air Force libraries and vice versa. Okay. Now, once you complete all of those steps, then you can download the app. Now, the app can be downloaded to any Apple device, an Android device, a Windows computer, a Kindle, any Amazon device, pretty much any device the Overdrive app can be downloaded to, okay? And Once you do that, you're going to go through the same steps. It will look like this in order to sign in with your library card number. And once you do that in the app and you get into your account, then you're going to sign into your Overdrive account. So if you look on the app over to the left-hand side, it will say sign into Overdrive. You click on that, and that's where you enter that username and password that you just created for Overdrive. Now, once you've completed those steps, you're logged into all of any Overdrive accounts that you have from any library, and you'll be able to see all of your materials there. One really great thing about Overdrive is that you can either view ebooks or listen to audiobooks in a browser, or you can download them to be played offline, and that way you don't have to worry about having Wi-Fi or using your data, so you can just listen or read the books anywhere, okay? So make sure to like us on Facebook or follow our Instagram for the 86 FSS libraries. If you have any additional questions, please contact the Ramstein or Vogelway libraries or your home-based library. Thanks and enjoy.